Sandbaggy backflow cages are built to last. We have many different sizes, from medium-sized cages like this all the way to massive size cages. Whatever you need, we can custom make for you. And we powder coat them and use tough steel to keep those thieves away from your backflow. Now, let me show you how you install this cage. It's super easy. First step is, when you know where you're gonna put it, you're gonna mark with a marker exactly where this is with a marker. Where the holes are on both sides. Okay, once it's installed, now we're gonna move the cage away from where you put the hole, and now we're gonna get ready to drill these holes in place. So what's included is the fasteners that come to install the cages. So these are 2 inches long, 5/8 inch wide, and so just make sure to drill 2 inches into the concrete. Now that our hole is drilled, now we're going to install this right into the ground. We're going to tighten this as much as we can by hand, and then now we're just going to... Okay. So now with the screwdriver, we're going to tighten this as much as we can. Okay. So now that we have the holes drilled, the screws in the ground, we're going to set the cage right on top. The last step is you just need 2 padlocks like this. Hook it onto the holes inside. Lock it, and then the thieves can't steal your backflow any longer. And all it took was 20 minutes and you're all done.